One how to tutorials back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you Facebook security checkup tutorial. So follow me, I'll show you step by step. First of all, tap here the right top corner, it's a profile icon. Tap here three line, scroll down, you can see here the option settings and privacy. Tap the settings button and then tap here password and security, this one. You can see password and security. So now you can check all this thing here, like you can see you can change password, you can turn on two factors authentication, you can tap you can set up login alerts, and you can check where you are logged in. So it means that like it's for hacking protection, suspicious login alerts, extra account security. So you can check security checkup. So you can see here you can change, you can give the saved login, you can remove it in security alert so if you tap here, then you can your devices or keychains, contact devices or keychains, so you can turn on this thing. So the here is you can change password to factor authentication. If you tap here, then you can see, tap here, then turn on the two factor authentication. You can use passcode, create passkey. If you tap here, then you can create passkey, like it's your fingerprint, then your account will be secured.